If you want to record purely internal audio on Windows 10, such as music being played, or a live stream on YouTube, etc.,
Open it.
this video will show you 3 easy ways to record internal audio on your Windows PC. Windows 10 has its own audio recording software called Voice Recorder. If you use this built-in recording tool to record Windows internal audio, you will first have to configure stereo mix, otherwise, the internal sound you record will be interspersed with microphone noise. To enable stereo mix on your Windows 10, you should click the Start menu and select Settings. Now, open System and navigate to the Sound section. OK, find Related Settings and choose the Sound Control panel to go on. Then a small sound window will pop up. In Recording tab, right-click Stereo Mix and choose Enable, hit OK to save the settings. Great, with Stereo Mix configured as the input source, the captured audio will be the sound from your computer. Now, run Voice Recorder on your Windows, and click the blue microphone button to start recording your computer's internal audio. The sound of any application or web page you are playing will be captured. Although you can record your Windows audio without downloading any software with Voice Recorder, it requires Stereo Mix to be configured in advance. And you have to disable it when you want to record your microphone. To avoid switching sound settings back and forth, you can choose a more convenient software to record internal audio on Windows 10, that is AppGeeker Screen Recorder. AppGeeker Screen Recorder is a professional recording software that can record microphone and system sounds separately or simultaneously. And it can record lossless audio. To record a high-quality and pure internal audio on your Windows PC, it will not let you down. Now, download AppGeeker Screen Recorder and launch the app on your computer. In the main interface, choose Audio Recorder and then select your audio source. To record only the computer sound, you should turn on the system sound and turn off the microphone option. You can also drag the slider to adjust the volume level. When everything is ready, click Rec to start recording the sound your computer is playing. Once you're all done with your recording, just click the Stop button on the floating bar. Well, that's how to record internal audio on Windows. If you think it's great, then don't hesitate to click on the link below the video, download and try it out. And the last way to record internal audio on your Windows 10 is to use Audacity. As a free and open-source recording software, Audacity also largely fulfills the recording and editing requirements of people. Okay, let's see how it works. First, get Audacity from the official website and run it on your Windows 10 PC. In its interface, locate and click on Audio Setup, select Windows Wasapi at Host tab to continue. Then you should choose a suitable loopback device, such as speakers, loopback, or headphones, loopback. Once you have set up your input source, click on the red record button to start recording.
Permanently deleted photos in camera roll category. Try to find them in Photos.
To end your recording, hit the stop icon. Now you can preview your recording by clicking on the play icon.
Deleted photos in camera roll category. Try to find them in Photo Stream.
Alright, that's all for today. If you were able to record internal audio on your Windows 10 using these 3 methods, please don't forget to like this video and follow our channel. Thanks for watching.